What's going on YouTube? The Toy Fiend here, and we are first to unbox the Mezco 112 Wonder Woman. Let's take a look inside, shall we? This figure is supposed to come out, I think, last year, so it's probably about 6 months late maybe. This is what she looks like. I was kind of worried that her face wouldn't be so good, but in hand, it really doesn't look bad. It actually looks pretty good. Looks like how Gal Gadot might look in 20 years, maybe. Let's get a close-up of that mug. Okay. Yeah, honestly, it's not a bad likeness. A lot of toy companies have had trouble with this actress getting her face right. Huh. Okay. I'm actually not too disappointed with this. It actually does look pretty good. It's just not as cute as the actress. Like, the features just are slightly off, I guess. Let's take them out. Okay. I think if I get too close with the camera, it starts to distort her features, but you can see from far it looks pretty nice. Take this plastic off. Wow, the skirt is made out of leather. It seems like it's really thin. The paint detail on the armor is good. Please forgive this bootleg setup here with the cardboard box and the cheap light, but I'm still sitting at my review station. Okay, that looks pretty good. Articulation. So she has these knee pad things. What is this? What is this? It's like a thing stuck to the top of her, above her knee. Okay, I guess that's supposed to be part of the boot or something. Alright, let's see. The sculpt seems pretty good. They got the thighs right. Single jointed elbows. I'd say this definitely looks better than Mafex, SH Figure Arts, any other faces on 6-inch Wonder Womans that I've seen. Hot Toys is probably like the best head sculpt. Cool. She comes with lasso. The lasso is wire. That is cool. It's actually just wire, so you can pose it. Magic lasso. Then there's another lasso that hooks onto her skirt, or whatever this is. See, you got this. Goes right here. Boom. She got the shield. Shield looks nice. Paint job is really good. Of course, it's Mezco, so it's always gonna look good. Let's put that over there. Sword. She has an alternate head. These are the two heads. Yeah. I guess this is her angry head. I guess she's slightly angry. I guess that could have been more intense, but oh, whatever. The hair has nice wash on it. You can see that detail. It looks really good. Sword. The sword looks good. It's solid. It's not rubbery. Does it go in here? I guess it goes on the side. Oops. Yeah, I guess our sword can go in here. Not sure if it's supposed to be there, but it's just a quick review. Comes with the stand, the Wonder Woman stand. Let's pop the head off. Alright, let's change the hand so she can hold the sword. Is that right? Yeah. This is the right hand. I think that's for the lasso. Whatever. Is her hand on? Come on, Wonder Woman. What's wrong with you? Okay, she has the wrap on her hand. That's cool. See that? Yeah, that's cool. Let's hold the sword. Sorry, Wonder Woman. There. Alright. Got it. Yes. Yeah, the intense face, they could have exaggerated that a bit, but I think it looks nice though. It still looks good. It's gonna be cool when some toy photographers shoot this. Yeah, I'm actually happy with this figure. I was expecting to be disappointed, mostly because of the face, but I think this looks good. I think it looks pretty damn good. Yeah, look at that. Huh. Cool. This is gonna replace my SH Figure Arts as my favorite Wonder Woman figure. Look at that. Hold on, where's her shield? I dropped it. Come on. Let's put that shield on. Something fell. Right. Alright, it's good enough. Oh, come on, Wonder Woman. Can you just hold your sword? What's wrong with you? Come on. Alright, she has rubber hands. There we go. Now she's ready. That's right. Who was the villain in Justice League? I don't even remember his name. Oh, Steppenwolf. Come on, Steppenwolf. You're about to get your ass whooped. Let's see, can I move this? Alright, there we go. Now we can place her on the ground. Look at that. She can stand up pretty good. Oh, come on. Hold your sword, will you? Switch hands. I think I got the wrong hand. Is this the hand of a sword wielder? There we go. Alright, I got it. Here we go. Okay. Perfect. Alright, Wonder Woman. Let's hold that sword now. Come on. Come on. Come on, for 80 bucks. This figure, I'd say is worth it. Except they could have included that cloak that she had in the movie. But yeah, see, look, that's perfect. Look at that. Look how she holds that sword. Yeah, that is awesome. I actually have a couple of these for sale if anyone needs them. Hit up EmpireToyShop.com. I have a handful left, still in stock. If you need her, she's there. Cool.